you're having teacher J. Roberts, the teacher for physics and maths.
Brand the second, the teacher of biology and chemistry.
Yeah, Mr. Brand, this evening we are here to know some few things about the BAB e-learning center, and I have some questions for you which I need some response about them. One is, what inspired you to start the BAB e-learning center and why now?
There are many different factors that driven me into this. The BAB e-learning center, it is an e-learning platform that provides scientific concepts to students at various levels. Specifically, we deal in science-based subjects like physics and math, biology and chemistry, especially those ones. There are many factors that inspired me. One of those factors is the gap that is left between good schools like urban schools and the rural schools.
Okay, understand.
Students in rural schools, they hardly get good teachers for sciences. This makes them fail or not understand the scientific concepts that the students in the urban school do well. That thing, it inspired me to start this platform, such that even if you are in a remote area, you are able to reach out on the platform and still get the best content those guys in urban schools they are receiving too. That thing inspired me. Also during my high school, I also did the same because I could also learn from a certain platform on YouTube that helped me to pass math very well. I did math well because of that platform. So all those factors inspired me. That's why I came up with BAB e-learning center.
Thank you for that. Members, I think we have understood what Mr. Brian said. You know, sometimes we get limited time. Sometimes when these teachers of ours teach, we don't understand, and that forces us to go into internet, search for those websites where they are online teaching, and you get to understand more. And you heard onto what the teachers taught in class. So, Mr. Brian, in this BAB e-learning center, what problems in science education are you trying to solve that made you to come with this BAB e-learning center?
The problem I'm trying to solve is that we are in a digital era, whereby we are no longer limited in a classroom. We are trying to bring out the competency skills, especially in ICT. We try to digitalize the education sector. Also, we are trying to bring the problem-solving skills, which most of the teachers are not expressing to the students. So at BAB e-learning center, we provide life or real-life facts about education and how different science subjects are related in the field of work. Yeah.
Now you are saying that by you teaching through the BAB e-learning center, you are simplifying for students what they have been missing from class to come and learn more from the BAB e-learning center.
Definitely. That is an extra lessons you can learn from class. If you do not understand something very well, you then approach the BAB e-learning center, or you can even start from scratch, like you start a complete topic on BAB e-learning center. Then you go to class, just revising. When the teacher comes to teach, you already know something and you're able to do the questions that may be provided by the teacher.
Okay, that is fine. Now, why should a student, or why should me as Teacher Robert, go into the BAB e-learning center and leave the other traditional way of learning, or what we call learning inside class? Why should I prefer the BAB e-learning center?
BAB e-learning center may not recommend leaving the class, but it is a complement. And we complement that. If you do not understand something, or if you want to start something before the teacher teaches it in class, you visit the BAB e-learning center. You get the concept such that when a teacher comes in class, you already know. You can also add on what the teacher is teaching to other students.
Onto what you have researched from the BAB e-learning center.
From what you have researched from BAB e-learning center, as the teacher teaches, you already know something, and you can also help him in teaching other students.
Okay, that is great. Now, as a student, what makes the BAB e-learning center unique in the world of online education? Or as you, as teacher Brian, what makes you think that the BAB e-learning center is a unique way of learning over other like websites?
BAB e-learning center is unique in such a way that it provides free YouTube tutorials.
Yes.
The videos at BAB e-learning center, they are for free. On addition to that, we try to demystify the difficulty concepts in science subjects. We provide 4 complete science subjects. Like I earlier told you, we provide biology, provide chemistry, provide mathematics, and then we provide physics, which are difficulty subjects which students tend to take to be very difficult. These subjects are not very difficult that students cannot do them, but maybe we tend to cram, but we don't understand the scientific concepts behind these subjects. So BAB e-learning center provides all those skills, inserts them into students such that they can understand and recall easily.
Now you're meaning like this BAB e-learning center prevents students from cramming work, but rather to make them understand
Definitely.
the science
behind physics, behind math, behind chemistry, behind biology. You understand, you don't cram.
And you know, with science, you don't cram, you should understand the facts of science.
If you cram, then you are done. Because, for example, in biology, you have a book called the Biological Science. It's a very big book. Yeah. If you cram it, the head may burst and you may not get anything in the paper.
I remember when I was in A level, they used to call it BS.
Yeah, BS.
Yeah,
that
I just fear that
is very big. So if you tend to cram it, then you may not do something good. So all to do is understanding. So we try to bring that.
Okay, that is great. Now, are your lessons tailored to local students, or it is globally, or it handles both the local and the international students?
What I like to bring on table is that this is science.
Yeah.
When I tell you that this is an atom, it remains an atom in USA, it remains an atom in Uganda.
Yeah.
So it means BAB e-learning center, it is a global platform. Whether you are in Nigeria, you can learn from it. You just go on YouTube, you type in BAB e-learning center.
Yes.
Yeah, this is science. It does not change with the geography. If it is a heart, it remains a heart.
Yeah.
Yeah. If it is a chemical equation, it remains the same chemical equation in all countries.
Nothing can change.
Nothing can change. So definitely, I tell you that BAB e-learning center, it is a global platform.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, that is great. You're meaning like if water is called H20,
it
if
remains
it is from Uganda, it remains even in Africa, in America,
in all Africa,
in Europe,
USA, it will remain H2O water.
Nothing can change from
Nothing
it.
changes.
That is great. I like it. Now, that was a nice answer towards that question. Now, how do you use technology? Like we know nowadays we have AIs and how to use this internet, which requires less of human effort. Now, how do you use this technology of AI to simplify the complex science concepts?
Of course, the world is dynamic, and humans too, we need to be dynamic with it. If AI has come, it means that we need to learn the AI skills also. You integrate the AI skills in the teaching. For example, you can use AI to make a lesson plan. It simplifies work. So we integrate all those skills in science such that we can simplify it, we demystify it to the students across the world.
For them to understand more. It is like you simplify what is hard into something which is simple for them to understand.
Yeah, you simplify. Simplify using the current technology.
You move with the world together.
Move with the world together.
That is great. I think the next session we are going to have and discuss more about the BAB e-learning center if we get time.
Thank you, sir. This is very nice.
You're welcome. Thank you for your time.
You're welcome.